Okay, push the button. Hold it down though.
Watch out, Cage. Don't get run over.
For a while, I think that's all it's gonna be. Cage.
Cage. No, sir. Come here. You don't like
You should see the look on Ryder's face. Okay, hit the button, dude.
Yeah, get in.
Hit the button. Okay, Cage, come get on and give it a try. Can you get your leg over there? There you go. Okay, hit the button. Cage got it. Come here. Come on. Can you turn? Beep, beep.
Beep, beep. You gotta beep, beep.
Okay, once you hit something, you gotta stop. Here, Rudder, let me turn him around. Hold on. Let's turn around. Okay, stop. Let's turn around. Okay, go. Here, baby. Let me get out from behind him.
Oh, you're gonna love this video.
No.
It's a good one, dude.
Really?
Yes. You gotta turn it. There you go. Don't shut the door on it.
Here, hit the button. Go.
Coming?
Hit the button. You see him? You see Bubba?
Turn it.
No, don't touch buttons.
Hit the button. There you go. See it turn.
Good job. Up on the tent and the mantle. Put your feet up. Put your feet up there. Yeah. Dude, you are such a little stud.
Cage. Wait, do that, do it. Oh!
Look at Daddy.
Can you go? Can you go? Do it.
Remember when you hit something, you gotta stop.
Try now.
Hold it down.
Go for lightning. Go for lightning McQueen. I think we should put some clothes on you guys and let you go play in the backyard with it for a minute.
Yeah, I think so.